The ladies' aid book is right over here, and thanks again for coming, folks.
Guaranteed. Don't grow a snap. Grow a peace. Don't grow a flower. Grow $1 million view. This new organic collection of soil and plant food is what you've always wanted. No compromise. Just results. Guaranteed. Miracle Grow Performance Organics.
The Air Force Museum Foundation presents D-Day Freedom from Above as part of the D-Day events happening at the National Museum of the United States Air Force. For the first time, this event will be on display in the U.S. and it's the premiere of the
What time frame?
An interactive device that helps make the exhibit come to life. Use it to see inside aircraft, operate equipment, compare scenes to 1944, watch videos, and more. Come see this special exhibit at the National Museum of the United States Air Force today.
Well, I got paid for my service. Good money, but it wasn't enough.
Thank you so much, sir. Much appreciated.
Great job.
I should have had somebody take my picture quick.
Thank you, sir.
Can't thank you enough for what you did over there.
Oh, I got it. Just my job. That's all. A job like you got a job, or you will have one. No big deal. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
World War II changed the world
Thank you very much, sir. Pleasure to meet you.
forever.
All the way, sir. All the way.
All the way.
Fagan Fighters World War II Museum of Granite Falls, Minnesota was created as a tribute to the men and women of the greatest generation. Its incredible sacrifices during World War II won and
Should have brought the half track out here.
No, that's harder to turn.
Yeah, and the concrete too, that hurts the rubber, right? Yeah.
The Fagan Fighters World War II Museum is the dream, the creation, and the passion of the Fagan family of Granite Falls, Minnesota. Ron and Diane Fagan and their sons Aaron and Evan.
We've taken on a mission to connect the latest generation with the greatest generation. These are events in our history that need to be...
Any chance I can hitch a ride with you?
And in the case of young children, who need to be introduced to. And we feel they're very important and need to be preserved, and that's what we're trying to do.
Those are all tied together.
The mission
Oh, maybe I'll lay them down. Let's try this.
Promote patriotism in today's Americans and inspire tomorrow's leaders to study and apply history's lessons. It's not enough. Never swore. Fagan Museum.
Thanks, Dave.
Flying division.
What are we in? I've never seen one of these before.
It's a 1944 Dodge command car.
Okay. See the plaque here. got a Hemi?
Not really sure what it's got in it, but
Yeah.
it's geared like a tractor.
I bet, really slow, huh?
Yeah, it advertised 55 miles an hour in top gear, but
Okay.
I had it in fourth gear the other day, doing about 30 miles an hour, and it sounded like the cylinders are gonna, or the piston's gonna jump out of the cylinder.
Oh, really? So what do you got there? It's a manual transmission then? 3-speed?
4-speed
4-speed, okay.
with pretty much a dual low.
Okay.
So right now we're in second gear.
Yeah, well, it's meant for towing big artillery pieces and stuff,
Well,
right?
it was originally meant to be a staff car for commanding officers,
Okay.
but the Germans quickly realized when they saw a car like this that it had somebody in command in it, and it became a large target.
Yeah.
So the officers started using Jeeps instead of this thing, and this was
Okay.
relegated, for artillery, forward observers, things like that. But yeah, it's a really good, reliable vehicle.
Yeah.
I don't have any problem with it. Of course, I don't have to.
How long have you had
maintain
it?
Well, it belongs to the Military Veterans Museum.
Oh, it does, okay.
Down the road. And we've got, well, all three of the vehicles that were in show center at the Warbirds Review are from the museum.
Yeah.
We've got the half track is also.
Yeah, where's the half track? I haven't seen it yet. It's in there?
Well, we'll get
Okay.
to it as soon as I get back. I'm going to drop off this crate
Okay.
over here.
Got work to do.
Borrow things.
Yeah.
Borrow.
I like how high up you are, this thing, you know? You get a good view of everything. It's like a monster truck.
Pretty much. Back home, I'm working on a 1941 Chevrolet ton and a half. It's
Okay.
like a deuce and a half that was back there, like it's a deuce and a half with one less axle in the back.
Gotcha. So do you go to a lot of reenactments?
Usually make about 6 to 8 a year.
Yeah.
Starting in April, we have our spring training event.
Okay.
Knock the dust off and train the new guys and how to be soldiers. And this is the big one, the longest one we do.
Yeah.
We were down here twice before this summer, once at the PAA Museum when they opened up the D-Day exhibit. And we were down, before that went to the Military Veterans Museum to help them with their museum days.
Okay.
So,
You ever been to Rockford?
been to Rockford, at least almost 10 times, I think.
Have you really? Wow, okay. Yeah, I just went there for the first time last year. I saw a really, a lot of cool stuff, a lot of German half tracks. And
Yeah, it's probably the biggest one we go to.
Yeah.
Some of the guys are going to, I'm just gonna jump out here.
this way, or?
Yeah, that's fine. Some of the guys are going to Conneaut, Ohio, where they do a beach landing.
Yeah.
It looks a lot like Normandy.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Sure.